Alright, hold up. Hey, we're back. We're back. Sorry about that. My recording sucks. I need to, I forgot I need to get more. I need to actually buy, to make it record more often. So, anyways, yeah, so he got, like, stuff. Did you book? Wait, did you book right?
Alright, so Guru Wolf attacked the 25 with 2 critical.
Oh, fuck. Dang. 1, 2, 21, 25, 30. There it is.
Wow. Alright, at the end of the turn, Guru Wolf dies. I search my deck for grade 3. And a copy of Guru Wolf. Shuffle my deck. Your moves.
Alright. And I stride once more into the fray, which is her once again. And next time, actually, no, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Start skill. Counter blast 1. 1 June night, and I disappear call from the deck. I choose. Alright, let's see. You gotta think smart when fighting in a great nature clan, because they can be very powerful. Let's go with this one. Start a skill plus 6,000. Alright. Let's see. And then look at that power. Let's see if you survive this. Of course you do. Alright. Critical trigger. Power to Sherry. Power to Stormy. They both have 2 critical. Which one can you guard? Of course you have a... And then one more. Alright, at the end of the turn, I get to draw a card. And the card goes, and this goes top of my deck, and I shuffle it. I just like to say, June Knight's new stride is gonna be boss.
Here and here.
Yeah.
14 damage.
Take the damage.
13 Vanguard.
Guard up and intercept 2. There'll be 25.
First. Second. All effects here. Attack Vanguard. Skill. Counterbolt. +4. Restand.
Guard.
23 Vanguard. Double critical.
Don't you think so?
Okay. The end turn. Unlock. Define. Draw. Oh yeah, you can stack. I haven't made both those yet.
Wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, this game. I just have to say, this came so many times. This is the 4th one. I'm not even kidding. Like, really. Alright, but anyways, I'll use a skill. And I'll superior call. Look at the wrong one. I like the superior call. And I rest it. Let's see, I choose to give the power to Salome. I attack the rear guard. Yes, go ahead. Come on. You know you want to guard it.
What is it? 16? Yeah. Or is it just 9?
This is good. Yeah, this is just 9.
Just 9? Oh, okay. You're taking the critical, are you?
Well, Salome's total power is gonna be 28 with its limit break +1 critical, and it gains 2,000 power, making it at 30k a 2 critical.
Gotta take it. Anyways.
Limit break.
20. Two pass.
First check. All to the Vanguard. All to the Vanguard, triple crits! And that's game! GG to all. I'm not gonna lie. When I was at 4th damage, I could pull the heal trigger. And this was my, and this would have been my 6th damage. So my heals came and if just in case. But I gotta say, Salome, she is a badass jewel knight. Which is the best thing you can use against anything, against any people who want to go grade 2 forever. Yeah. Too bad that, yeah. Yeah. You wanna go for round 2? I'm gonna change mine. Alright. We'll be back. So, this will be all. Like if you enjoy. Alright, the next video will be soon. And, starting out. Peace. And I just messed up my ending in my outro. Like an idiot.